The alignment eliminator, designed and manufactured by Thompson Couplings Limited, is a unique pump-to-motor shaft coupling. This video shows the benefit of our Quick Connect flanges when used with the alignment eliminator coupling. Quick Connect flanges for the motor shaft and the pump shaft can be purchased with taper lock bushes to match the shaft diameter. These are available on our website in both metric and imperial diameters. Once installed, coupling removal is quick and easy, thus facilitating fast access to the motor and/or the pump for maintenance purposes. Watch now as a maintenance person makes the pump or motor available for maintenance. This can be accomplished in less than 3 minutes. Reinstallation is also quick and easy, and since the pump and motor shafts do not need precision alignment, your pump is back up and running in just a few minutes. When ordering your alignment eliminator couplings, buy Quick Connect flanges from Thompson Couplings. The special flange design allows for quick access to pumps and motors, and specific shaft sizes are available in metric and imperial sizes. Buying alignment eliminators with Quick Connect flanges are very cost-effective investments. This is a maintenance-free coupling that pays for itself with an ROI, a solid reason to replace what you are using today. Buy these now on our website or contact our engineers to assist.